Hey everyone, it's Carol. I hope you're doing great today. It's so nice to see you and thank you for coming by to visit. Today I have on Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, and I found these polishes online. They're by Atomic, and they just have like pastel neon melon and pastel neon hot pink. That's the two of them. And they are one coat wonders. That's what I was searching for. Now, Sally Hansen Insta-Dry is a one coat fast drying one also. And this I actually put over this and one coat and it covered. That is amazing. But these are really, really pretty, aren't they? These are really neon, and this is the CRAYOLA collection from Sally Hansen, and I have a lot of nail polishes, and my nail polishes, some of them are very old. I mean, since I've been doing YouTube for years, but I can't throw them away. So what happens is they all settle. So I have come up with a nail polish workout. Okay, so I put this on, it dries, and then I always put this on, the SECHE top coat. It dries your polish in 2 seconds. And if the polish is too dry already in the bottle, then I add a few drops of this product by SECHE. It works wonders. Today, I put on this by Wet n Wild. It's PHOTOFOCUS Matte Primer Stick, but I put it on top of my makeup when I just wanted to get rid of the shine, just some places. And it works. It really works. I powdered my nose with it. So, yeah, it's got no color, but it mattifies perfect. It's very cute. Let's see how much it goes up. And I've used this for a little while, but that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Oh, it's just like you just want to take a bite out of it. It looks so yummy, you know? So, yeah, anytime you want to mattify your face, they say it's a primer stick, but I use it on top. Another thing I have to show you, which is so cute, it's by Revolution. It's called the Glass Glow Fix. It's the Ultimate Glow Dewy Fixing Spray, and it really works. Perfect the Korean glass skin trend with our Glass Glow Fix. It's ultra fine, weightless, sets makeup in place, leaves your skin dewy, has longevity, cruelty-free, vegan, very hydrating. If you prefer shimmer to dewy, they also have a glass shimmer fix. Now, this is for all skin types. This is for sensitive skin, for oily skin, for dry skin, combination skin, acne-prone skin, and mature skin. I really like it. It gives me a nice dewy sheen, not a shimmer, just a dewy sheen. I put on a lot of powder, blushes, bronzers, highlighter, you know, and sometimes it does get a little powdery, so that's why I'll use finishing spray. And now this one really gives you the glass glow effect. So I just put it on that side. I don't know if you can tell, but all day long I can see it. I'm going to do it the whole face. I would stretch my arm the furthest out and then spray it. It was $11 in Target, and there is a ton in here. There's 3.38 ounces. It's a spray fixer, Ultimate Glow Dewy Fixing Spray, Makeup Revolution, London. It's really good. That's all I wanted. I wanted something that would just give me a sheen, you know, after I've maybe felt too dry. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little goodies. I will put links down below for everything. And have a great week. Remember, I love you, and you just stay beautiful.